In 1 mark question, what is given in first? Write the factor of. Write the factors of. Write the factors of a plus 2b whole square. I have already shared about the factorization form. So a plus 2b times a plus 2b. These are the factors of this question. Similarly, this is 1 number question. Similarly, factors of c minus 2d square equal to c minus 2d times c minus 2d, and the factors of s plus 3w whole square equal s plus 3w and s plus 3w. This is first number question. And moving to question number 2. Question number 2. Write the expanded form of a plus b or a plus 4 whole square. You know the expanded form is just using formula. You can write a square plus 2a4 plus 4 square equal a square plus 4 to the 8a plus 16 is the expanded form. Similarly, b minus 2 whole cube and this b cube minus 3b square 2 plus 3b 2 square plus minus b cube, and other terms you can multiply. And for c plus 2 whole cube, c cube minus plus 3c square 2 plus 3c 2 square plus 2 cube. This is the expanded form and given in the question number 2. Now moving to question number 3, dear students. 3-number question. We can go through question number 3. What is given in question number 3? What should be added? What should be added? Okay, no problem. Now just we are discussing exercise 1 and question number, very short question. Let's get ready. We are discussing what should be added to the following expression to make a perfect square. We have to make
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
perfect square.
Yes, sir.
To make perfect square. So in this case, dear students, are you listening? Okay,
Yes, sir.
okay, sir. Thank you. A4 plus, thank you. Here this is not the perfect square term, because while expressing in formula a square whole square is a4 plus 2 times a is a square and b times 1 plus 1 square, this is perfect square term. So from this step to this step we have to move, but we have here a square only, we need 2a square. So to make a4 plus a square plus 1 a perfect square term, we should add a square. We have to add a square to make it a perfect square term. Okay, solution part is this is question. And question number B, here we have given b4 minus b square plus 1. So this is very short question, so you can write the answer directly. So here also we need 2b square terms, b square is lacking, so to make b4 minus b square plus 1 a perfect square term, we have to add minus b square. If we can add minus b square, and it becomes b4 minus 2b square plus 1, which is perfect square term. So we need minus b square. And C number question, we have given c4 plus 1. What should be added? We should add c4 plus 2c square plus 1. So we need to add 2c square terms to make perfect square, a perfect square term. To make a perfect square terms, this part is missing, that's why we need to add this. Now we have to move to the next part, dear students. Next question, hope you understand till now. You don't have any problem till now. Okay. Now the next, similarly D number 3E F you can do. I haven't gone there. 4 number now. Here, what should be subtracted from the following expression? What should be subtracted? Yes, Sanskrit we can write directly. What should be SUBTRACTED subtracted to make perfect square? Okay, so suppose in A number Z4 plus Z4 is given. No, you have to write in your copy, Sufal. You cannot. So Z4 and Z4 are given. What should be subtracted? So if we subtract Z4, then it remains only Z4, and this is the perfect square number. And B number I have explained in short. Second one is Z4 plus 4Z4. Either Z4 you can subtract or 4Z4 you can subtract. Any one option you can use. There is no restriction. Okay, if we remove this, subtract this, you will get, and if you subtract this also you will get. And now the next part, dear students, C number 4 plus 16. So here also either 4 or 16, both are square term, so we can subtract any one. Now D number 4 plus 4. There are other alternative also you can find. Okay, either 4 or 4. And E number A4 plus 6a square plus 25. So in this case you may judge, you may test. So in this case let's make a perfect number and compare. Plus 2, a is a square, and for b is a 5 plus 5 square. It is a perfect square term. A square is whole square is a4, 5 to the 10 a square is here, but here only 6a square,
10 is
5
square.
square is 25. So we have to subtract,
A square.
4a square. Oh sorry, what should we
6A
subtract?
square.
Yes, 10 square.
Minus 4A
If we
square.
subtract
Minus
10a
6A
square from
square.
here, oh no, is it right? You are telling 10a
Minus
square.
4A square.
Oh no. Can you compare once? It's very interesting. Minus 6a square, how? If we subtract minus 4a square, then minus 4a square becomes plus 4a square, which will be added in this term, then it becomes a perfect square number. So we have to subtract minus 4a square. Again, again let me highlight this. We need 10a square, but here we have only 4a square. Our condition is we have to subtract. Subtraction means negative number if we subtract, it becomes positive. That will be added in 6a square and it becomes 10a square. I believe now you understand. Now F number, final number, V4 plus 2b square plus 9. In this case, b square whole square plus
minus
2
4b square
times b square times 3
minus
plus
4b
3
square
square. If you
Yes, sir.
compare 3, 3, 9, 3 square
4b
is 9,
square.
b square whole square is before, 2 3 is 6b square, but we have 2b square only. Then what can we do? Sorry, minus 4b square. Yes, if we subtract minus 4b square, minus 4b square becomes plus 4b
oh yes
square,
sir
and which will
Yes,
be
sir.
added here and it becomes this term. In this way, we can find the solution of this exercise. Do you have any questions? Can we move to the next? Okay, now, yes. Now we have to go through question number 5. It is very interesting and important question, higher ability question. So let me highlight question number 5a. In our language it is saying it is important. So the first number is 4a square minus 20a plus 24 plus 6y minus 9y square.